Rock and roll. A mixture of rhythm and blues/country and western genres created a new style of music that addressed teenage behaviors such as gangs, drinking, sexuality, and even drugs, different to everything before. Elvis Presley, commonly referred to as the King of Rock and Roll, one of his 1956 TV performances was watched by 82% of the U.S. Cochran, a musician who wrote the 1958 hit Come On Everybody, focused on partying at the weekend. James Dean, an actor who reinforced rock and roll culture by playing characters like those the music was made for. Rebel Without a Cause was released in 1955. Marlon Brando, another actor who reinforced rock and roll culture by playing rebellion characters. He was in the 1953 film The Wild One. Purchasing power. When a group in society has money to buy products, teenagers were targeted with products and advertising for things like fizzy drinks, music, and fashion. Spending power. The same as purchasing power. 1940s teenagers had $1 to $2 per week. By 1957 this was estimated at $10 to $15 per week. Total spending power rose 250% during the 1950s. American Dream. The idea that anyone can succeed in America and the next generation will be better off. This certainly was the case after WWII. Jazz. A style of dance music popular in the 1920s that heavily influenced early rock and roll. Dr. Spock was a doctor who told the whole generation how to raise their kids. He also said that raising them was more important and rewarding than extra dollar would be. Federal Communications Commission, government agency that grants licenses to radio and television stations and sets regulations on them.